Cathro and Partners was founded on a very simple observation. Businesses in financial distress and their advisors are uncertain who they can trust to get them through those difficult times. They need a specialist that act in their best interest, not self-interest. Our purpose is to solve uncertainty, manage change, and preserve the value for our distressed clients, with the aim of guiding you towards a timely and appropriate solution for your circumstances. We often find when clients get into financial difficulty, they are unable to predict or decide the best way forward. It can be very overwhelming, but failing to act quickly quite often means a poorer outcome for a business, its owners and stakeholders. We provide bespoke advice for each client with the aim of restructuring and creating a plan for clients to overcome financial difficulty and then to thrive. Often when clients get into financial distress, they look to their accountant and lawyer for assistance. At Cathro and Partners, we work collectively and collaboratively with the business owners and their trusted advisors to help restore their business and get them back on the path to success. Our goal at Cathro and Partners is for the business owners, the key stakeholders and their advisors to feel understood, well advised and supported in finding the best solution for them and their circumstances. My name is Simon Cathro and I am the founder and managing principal of Cathro and Partners. I have over 25 years of experience helping businesses restructure, develop and implement turnaround strategies and find the right financial solution for clients in financial distress. Our team of experts are qualified accountants with significant restructuring, turnaround and insolvency experience. Our hope is you won't ever need to talk to us, but if you find yourself facing financial uncertainty in your businesses or your clients' businesses, we would be delighted to help.